Alright folks, I'm here at Griggs Dam, Columbus, Ohio. I've been fishing for a couple hours now and I haven't had any luck, so I decided, so I'm not wasting my time, I want to make a little how-to video. Alright, I'm going to show you how to tie braid to a swivel or whatever you're trying to tie it to. I know a lot of people don't like to use braid. I prefer it over mono, but you would be surprised the amount of people who don't know how to tie braid. So first, you got to overlap the line about 8 to 10 inches, make a loop, and this is going to go through the eye of your swivel. Just thread your swivel right on that overlap where your loop was, like so. Then you're gonna loop it around and put the end of the loop through like this. And then you're gonna put your swivel through the loop, pull it through. And then you're going to grab onto the tag end and the main line and pull it tight. Pull it all the way tight. And then just cut your tag end off. And there you go. It's a good strong knot. And that's how you tie braid, folks. Until next time, tight lines, everyone.